Advanced Guide to WePay Client Secret. To get started with the WePay Client Secret, you need to understand what WePay is and how it works. WePay is an online payment processing platform that allows you to accept payments from your customers. The client secret is a crucial component of the WePay API, used for authentication and authorization. First, you need to create a WePay account and register for a developer account to obtain your client secret. The client secret is a unique string of characters that is used to authenticate your API requests. You will use this secret to obtain an access token, which is required for all API requests. To obtain the access token, you need to make a POST request to the WePay API with your client secret and client ID. The client ID is another unique identifier that is used in conjunction with the client secret. Once you have the access token, you can use it to make API requests to WePay. One of the key concepts to understand when working with the WePay client secret is security. You should never expose your client secret to anyone, as it can be used to access your account and make unauthorized transactions. You should also use HTTPS when making API requests to ensure that your data is encrypted. In terms of best practices, you should always handle errors and exceptions properly when working with the WePay API. You should also implement logging and monitoring to track any issues that may arise. Additionally, you should always follow the WePay API documentation and guidelines to ensure that you are using the API correctly. To illustrate how the WePay client secret works, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you are building an e-commerce platform and you want to use WePay to process payments. You would first create a WePay account and register for a developer account to obtain your client secret. You would then use the client secret to obtain an access token, which you would use to make API requests to WePay to process payments. In conclusion, the WePay client secret is a critical component of the WePay API, and it is essential to understand how to use it correctly. By following the guidelines and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can ensure that you are using the WePay client secret securely and effectively.